Hello, welcome back to Tornado Survival. I'm sorry if my mic is like going insane right now. Maybe like going like shh. That sounds bad. Anyways, yes, I did get a mic. It's not the best, but it can do. So this click, my clicking won't be as loud anymore. Oh wait, I'm gonna turn down my in-game volume because I think that's way too loud right now. It's really quiet for me. I can't even hear anything. But for you guys, it's annoying. You could barely hear that. Anyways, I moved. I didn't really do much. I just moved. I got wood. Tons. I moved this down here. You do have a dying storm. I mean, nothing happened to it. You have a rainstorm that's just standing still over there. The game is fixed. Like, there's no more, like... you know how they was all going that direction? It's because the clouds were going that direction. That's simple. I'm pretty dumb. Anyways, today we are going to make a why am I forgetting the name? A tornado siren? Yeah, why am I forgetting the name? I think I know how to make it. Maybe not. If I don't, then I'm gonna just edit the video out. Or I'm gonna stop the video. And I'll see you when I get it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not getting any luck. What the heck? Okay, this is bad, so I'll see you when I find it. Okay, welcome back. I found out how to do it. You gotta first make one of these weather items. Then you gotta put it there and make a tornado sensor, I think. Yep, tornado sensor. You put that there. Then you do a pattern with 4 redstone, 4 iron. And you get it. There you go. Good. We're going to put this in the basement so we never lose it, because I'm not going through that again. That was painful. Not really painful. Just annoying. What? Oh, this is going fine that way. I'll put this... Actually, I think it would seem cool if we had it out here, just like on a pole. It's gonna get sucked up. That's like what I'm saying. Let me get some fence to make like a little fence thing. Seem cool. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do something next video probably. I'm gonna have the sensor you just saw, and I'm gonna hook it up so that when a tornado spawns, it's gonna say in the chat something really like tornado spawn, whatever. It's like a weather forecast or whatever. Make it seem kind of cool. This video may be boring. You think that? It's a very straightforward video. We're just grabbing the essentials for his tornado mod. I think we should also look for... Wait, let me also... Okay. Turn it down like to 10. 9. We should probably start the house. Not really build much, but start the house. New house. I'll talk about what we're gonna do today. Because I am gonna make another video today. It's gonna be with my friend, and it's gonna be like multiplayer survival. It's coming out later today. Wow, first time getting wood. That doesn't even make sense. I got wood like a long time ago. I got like 64 wood, you saw. Get owned. God, every drop gives me a bow. No joke. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I think I might. Maybe not. Maybe I am. Don't know. Spruce, I think. Give me that. And just plant this out of the way. Oh no, but not right now. I felt like up here was nice. Because you know it's up here. It's like up on the hill. And the path still continues. It's gonna be now a big house. This is such a waste of wood. Look at that. Actually, let me see what this looks like. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, I might use it. Yep, I'm gonna use it. There, nice cozy house. I have to make another one of those weather forecasters to put in my house. Or just move it. May keep it down here though. No storms. Yeah, I want to find out how to make the chances of a tornado higher, because tornado a day would be nice. Oh, good thing I brought this. Oh wow, it was very quiet right there. Very serious mode right now. Very serious. Yeah, something like this would look great. Cause yeah. I've posted like a lot after these past few days, as you know, you've seen. Like, I just started it and now I'm posting like every day. No, because I have the time to, it's easy. It's kind of like fun. this part's very like the same. Don't really want to destroy all the trees because I like how it looks. Oh my god, I should just clear. No, I'm gonna clear this out. That looks good. Clear all these trees because I want to have like a view. Probably end the video pretty soon. This video may not be exactly 15 minutes, but it's like close. Let's get up here. I'm gonna finish the roof and be done. Because you guys screenshot. No. Oh dude, look at that food. Oh man. Oh god dang it. Oh crap. Okay. Oh, nope, that's bad. You have to end it here. Sorry if it's a little short, but thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and bye.